Theorem 24. The tangent drawn at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact of the tangent. At first we have to know what is the tangent. Tangent is a straight line which is drawn at any point of circumference of a circle. That will pass only one point, circumference of a point. Let PT be a tangent at the point P to the circle with center O, and OP is the radius through the point of contact. It is required to prove that PT perpendicular OP. Drawing: take any point Q on PT. Take any point Q on PT and join OQ. Join OQ. This is drawing. Proof: since PT is a tangent to the circle at the point P, it is a tangent at the point P. Hence, every point PT except P lies outside the circle. Without P, every point will lies outside the circle. Therefore, the point Q is outside of the circle. So, OQ is greater than OP because OP is less than OQ, or OQ is greater than OP because OP and OP is the radius, but OQ uh, is greater than radius. So OQ is greater than OP. Therefore, the point Q is outside. Uh, OQ is greater than OP. That is, OQ is greater than OP, and it is true for every point Q on the tangent PT except P. So OP is the shortest distance from the center O to PT. Therefore, PT perpendicular OP. Hence proof. 27. Theorem 27. 26. If two tangents are drawn to the circle from external point, the distance from the point to the contact are equal. The main theme of the theorem: PB equal to AP, because it's also drawn from a point from circumference of a circle. It also drawn from point of circumference of a circle. So it will be equal PB and AP. We have to prove it. Let be a point outside a circle ABC with center O, and two lies segment PA and PB be two tangent to the circle at point A and B. It is required to prove that PA equal to PB. Drawing: join OA, OB and PO. OA, OA, OB and PO. Proof. Step 1. PA is the tangent of OA. Is the radius through the point of tangent PA perpendicular OA. PA perpendicular OA. So PAO equal to one right angle. PAO equal to one right angle. Radius through the point of a contact of the tangent. The tangent is a perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact of the tangent. Similarly, PBO equal to one right angle. Similarly, PBO equal to one right angle. So triangle PAO and triangle PBO are right angle triangle because every triangle is bearing one right angle. Step 2. Now is the in the right angle triangle PAO and PBO, hypotenuse PO equal to hypotenuse PO and OA equal to OB. Hypotenuse PO equal to PO and AO equal to OB. So we can say PB equal to PA. So triangle PAO congruent triangle PBO. So PA equal to PB. Hence proof. Theorem 27. If two circles touch each other externally, the point of contact of the tangent and the center are collinear. Let the two circles with the this is if two circle are contact in one point, so O, so the radius and the uh, contact point will be, or touch point will be collinear. AOB will be collinear. We have to prove it. Let the two circle with center at A and B touch each other externally at O. It is required to prove that the point AOB are collinear. Drawing: since the given circle touch each other at O, they have a common tangent at the point O. Now draw the common tangent POQ at O and join AO এবং OB. This is POQ is a common tangent. Proof: in the circle with the center A, OA is the radius through the point of the contact of the tangent, POQ is the tangent. Therefore, POA equal to one right angle. POA equal to one right angle and POB equal to one right angle. So POA plus angle POA plus angle POB equal to one right angle, plus one right angle equal to two right angle, or AOB equal to two right angle. That is AOB is a straight angle. So AOB are collinear. Hence proof.